Welcome back. In this video, I will demonstrate how I embellish these beautiful blue velvet poinsettias with German glass and glitter. And for this step, you're going to need some pliers. Okay, let's begin. I made a mixture of glue and water, which I will be applying now on the petals randomly. And with some gold glitter. There, doesn't look beautiful? Shake off the excess. Now I'm just going to do the edges of the leaf. I always apply more than you think you're going to need to make sure you cover and then just shake off the excess. Oh, that is just stunning. Okay, I've just about done. I've got one leaf left to do. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Now I'll be adding some German glass. I love this stuff, it's so glittery. For those of you who don't know what German glass glitter is, it is the original glitter that was made a century ago in a small town in Germany, and it's made with crushed glass coated with silver, and I just love how it glistens and sparkles like diamonds in the snow. Gorgeous. Okay, I've done the second flower. Here they are. Beautiful. And this is the custom wreath that I made the blue poinsettias for. And I also have a separate video on the white poinsettias that I adorned with silver, German glass, and crystal. The links on how I embellished the poinsettias will be listed below.